Welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. Will you be heading to your carrier soon to maybe look at a new phone, see what kind of deals they have? You want to save some money? You want to get the best trade-in deals? You want to not get ripped off? You want to have the quickest trip and best experience possible? Well, here's some tips for you. First, before you head into the carrier, go online, go to your account with your carrier, sign in, go to shop, see if they have any deals, see if it shows what kind of deals you're going to get. Go find your device under your account, click click upgrade, see what kind of offerings they're giving you online, and bring those to the store so that you're prepared. So when they say, "Hey, what can I help you with?" you can say, "Well, I saw online this," and you can show them. Maybe they have a better deal in store, maybe that's online only, but at least be prepared. The next tip I'll say is check to make sure your device is unlocked before you go in. If you already know it's unlocked, great. If you wonder if it's unlocked, if you bought it through your carrier, go on, check the unlocked status through your carrier's website or go into your settings and look under SIM status and see if it says unlocked. If you aren't sure, you can always call them or go online to the particular carrier's website and go to the chat and ask them. Third tip I'll say is have a set of questions to ask them that you don't know the answer to and a set of questions that you do, because then you can see if their motivation is the best for you or is the best for their sales and their numbers. And my next tip is make sure that you know where to find your IMEI. Make sure that you have cleared out any notifications, that you don't have any private information up on your screen. Clear out your recent apps and open the settings before you hand the phone to them. So here's some tricks to make your experience optimized, the quickest, the safest, and to be knowledgeable before you go into the carrier, to have the quickest trip, and to save the most money, and to understand what deals are going on before you go in hand. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put those down below, and I'll see you in the next video.